How to log into Epic Games account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to log in into Epic's game account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Epic Games. You will see a list of results here. Click on the link that says Epic Games Store to go to the official website. Once the page loads, look at the top left corner of your screen and you will see sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. Now you will be taken to the login page. Here you can choose how you want to sign in. You can select from the option like Epic Games, PlayStation, Xbox, Google, depending on how you created your account. But if you have not created your account, you need to follow simply following steps. You need to tap on create account. Once you have done that, you need to enter your birthday month. You need to enter your birthday. Simply enter the month, date, and year accordingly. Then click on continue. After that, you need to fill up with this everything. You need to enter your email address. You need to enter your first name as well as your last name. Then you need to enter your display name, and once you have done that, you need to enter your password. Once you have done that, you need to click on I agree to the terms and services, and then you need to click on continue again. Now, a verification code will be sent to the email address that you have entered before. Simply enter the verification code and then you need to click on verify email. And that's it, you have successfully signed into the Epic Games account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.